Hi everyone, this is a tutorial just basically reminding you going over the steps for adding books to Follett Titlewave. So you want to go to your email and type in UOI resources, which is the email subject that I sent. And you can click on titlewave.com link and click sign in and put in the sign in information. And then click sign in. This will direct you to Follett's Titlewave page. You should go to saved lists and select a list for your year level. I'm going to use Little Kicks as an example. So I've selected my list and now I want to start searching. So I type in a search term or subject that I want to find resources on and click search. Once I've done this, what I think you should do is look at the left-hand side. You can either limit your results by interest level or by reading levels. Please note that this is an American site, so the interest levels are by grades and the reading levels are using the accelerated reader levels. I sent you guys an email in the beginning of the school year that has a correlation website so that you can see what accelerated reader levels are compared to Fountas and Pennell. I can resend you the email. If you can't find it, let me know. I think it's a correlation. If you type in correlation, you should find it. But for Little Kicks, I might want to look for the lowest reading level instead of going to K to 3 because kindergarten is still a little bit higher than Little Kicks. So I'm going to click on this hyperlink here. And now the resources that I see are limited to this accelerated reader level, which is a lower or beginner reader level. And let's say this is a resource that I think I want. So I'm going to click want. And I'm going to go to add a note. Type in UOI sharing the planet. So you can just use the acronym and then click save your note. Once I've made my selections of all the books that I think fit in with this unit, I'm going to click add to list and just note what the list is that you're adding it to. If you have selected an incorrect list, you can just click the drop down menu here and select the correct list. Once I click add to list, now I can go to current list, view current list, and I will be able to see all of the resources that I added to that list and the note that I added. For those of you who know for sure that you've run out of funds for this year, please still add your resources to your lists, because if we do figure out a way to move around funds or find funds somehow, we would need to have the resources there. So just save and search as if you have enough funds. But what I would suggest is prioritizing what you want to see. So click on first choice if on all the resources that you would like us to order first if we do find funds. If you've selected a resource, you've opened it up, and you decide you don't want it, you can remove it. I think if you click remove here, it will also remove it from your current list. Yes, it removes it from your current list. So you can just do that from here, or you can do it from the actual list. You can also update the quantity. Please make sure that you do that. So because we will not know if you only have one selected, we'll only think that you only want one resource. And you can also prioritize here as well. You can edit your note here. You can ignore this for now, just select it and we will decide whether we're going to order Follett bound or paperback books. We just want to see what your resources are that you want. And if you want to return to your cart, you can just click on that and return to the cart. I hope this tutorial helped. If you have any questions, please feel free to come see me or email me and I'll be happy to help.